Now let's come back and solve your 2014 paper. Let's see the question. What did they give us? Calculate the delta G naught. So always they've been asking you Gibbs free energy. Careful while solving the numerical. So delta G naught for the reaction. They've given me one reaction. Either they will ask you Nernst equation to calculate, that is E cell, or they will ask you to calculate the concentration. One concentration will be known, the other concentration unknown. Or they will ask you to calculate E naught cell value, or they may ask you to calculate Gibbs free energy. So simple. Let's write the formula first. So for calculating G naught, the formula is minus NF E naught cell. Correct? So E naught cell is already given to me. Faraday is also given to me. Just directly substituting. How do you get? How many electrons here? Just see. From magnesium to magnesium plus 2 electrons. Those 2 electrons are carried to copper and it has become picked up. Those 2 electrons form solid. So 2. Faraday given to me is 96,500 coulomb per mole. Into E naught cell given to me is 2.71 volts. So when I multiply, I get an answer of minus 523030 joules. Simplify it further. Now if I have to further simplify, just see, I'm shifting 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. Okay, let us write 5. 5.23 into 5 digits, isn't it? 10 raised to the power 5 joules. Further, if I have to convert to kilojoules, simple, isn't it? It is 523.030 kilojoule per mole. So this is your answer for Gibbs free energy. Now next question, what did they give me? They've asked me, name the type of the cell which was used in Apollo spaceship program for providing electric current. Right, so whenever you see Gemini or Apollo, the space, this one, only thing is that's called fuel cell. Name the cell, fuel cell. What type of fuel cell did we use? We have used hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So for this, answer is 1 mark. But please try to go to that video which is numbered under video number 31 in the playlist and watch and how did I write the reactions in that. Why? Because with 1 mark question you can answer. Suppose if the same thing is asked for 3 marks, you have to be perfect with the answer. So go back and watch the video, that is video number 31.